Welcome to HomePan TriPro, where today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your everyday cooking. We're talking about the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, a 3-piece collection that includes 8, 10.25, and 12-inch skillets. T-fal has a reputation for durable cookware, and this set aims to live up to that with its hard anodized construction. So, does it deliver on its promises of easy cooking and even easier cleanup? Let's find out. First impressions are important, and the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Set presents a solid, robust look. The hard anodized exterior is designed for durability, aiming to resist warping and corrosion over time. This is a critical factor for any cookware, as we all want our pots and pans to last. The forged design further contributes to this sense of sturdiness, suggesting it can handle the rigors of daily kitchen use. Now, let's talk about the heart of any non-stick pan, the coating. T-fal boasts a titanium non-stick coating here, which they claim ensures food slides smoothly. This is where the real magic of non-stick cookware lies, preventing food from sticking, making cooking more enjoyable and, of course, the cleanup a breeze. We'll be putting this claim to the test to see just how well it performs with various types of food. This 3-piece set is marketed as being versatile enough for searing, sautéing, frying, and browning. The inclusion of different sizes is a smart move. The 8-inch pan is perfect for single servings, like frying up eggs or making a small omelette. The 10.25-inch is a great all-rounder, ideal for stir-fries or cooking for two. And the larger 12-inch skillet is where you can tackle bigger meals, from searing steaks to cooking fish fillets for the whole family. Having these distinct sizes really does cover a wide range of cooking needs. One of the standout features of T-fal cookware is their Thermo-Spot technology. This is a heat indicator located in the center of the pan, which turns a solid red when the pan has reached the optimal preheating temperature. Knowing precisely when your pan is ready to cook is crucial for achieving perfect results, especially when searing or frying. It helps to prevent overcrowding the pan with food when it's too cold, or burning your food because the pan is too hot. This little indicator takes the guesswork out of preheating, which is a definite plus for home cooks of all skill levels. The design elements also contribute to the overall usability of this set. The riveted silicone handles are designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when the pans are hot. This is a safety and comfort feature that shouldn't be overlooked. The set also comes with vented tempered glass lids. These lids allow you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid, which helps to maintain consistent heat and moisture. Trapping that heat and moisture is key for many cooking methods, from braising to simmering. T-fal also highlights the oven and stovetop versatility of this set. They are oven broiler safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can start a dish on the stovetop and then move it to the oven to finish cooking or keep it warm. This is incredibly convenient. The pans are suitable for all stovetops except induction, which is an important point to note for those with induction cooktops. And to top it all off, they come with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind for your investment. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the durable hard anodized construction is a significant advantage, promising longevity. The titanium non-stick coating, if it lives up to its claims, will make cooking and cleanup significantly easier. The inclusion of 3 versatile sizes covers most everyday cooking tasks. The Thermo-Spot technology is a genuinely useful feature for achieving consistent cooking results. The comfortable silicone handles and functional tempered glass lids enhance the user experience. And the oven-safe capability up to 400°F adds to its versatility. The dishwasher-safe feature, while convenient, should be approached with caution for maximizing the lifespan of any non-stick coating. However, there are a few things to consider. The exclusion of induction compatibility means this set won't work for everyone. While the non-stick coating is a major draw, the long-term durability of any non-stick surface can vary based on usage and care. It's important to follow T-fal's recommendations for cleaning and using utensils to preserve the non-stick properties. Also, as with many cookware sets, some users might find the handles aren't as ergonomic as they would prefer, but this is often a subjective matter. In conclusion, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set appears to be a solid contender in the mid-range cookware market. It offers a good balance of durability, user-friendly features, and versatility for everyday cooking. The hard anodized construction and titanium non-stick coating are key selling points, aiming to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. The Thermo-Spot technology is a smart addition for aspiring and experienced cooks alike. While it's not compatible with induction stovetops, for those with gas, electric, or ceramic cooktops, this set presents a compelling option for upgrading your cookware. Link in the description.